Why are some apes so human-like? The great apes are the nearest living relative to man. There are 4 species of great ape: the orang-utan, chimpanzee, gorilla, and the gibbon. Chimpanzees are particularly brainy and are one of the few animals to actually use tools. Apes generally walk on all 4s but are able to stand and walk on 2 feet just like humans. Apes also have fingers and thumbs like a human hand, which makes them able to pick up and hold things as we do. The hair on an ape's head also turns gray with ages as with humans. Baby gorillas, like human babies, learn to crawl at about 10 weeks and walk about 8 months old. Fact file: apes like this gibbon give birth to helpless young that need looking after for a long time. Apes can look after their young for as long as 5 years. Why are monkeys different from other primates? All monkeys are primates. It is easy to tell them apart from the clever primates, people, and apes because they have tails. Their tails, which are generally long, can be used like an extra arm or leg to cling onto branches. A spider monkey from South America can actually hang by its strong tail, leaving both hands free for feeding. They live in family groups and spend much of their time in the trees. They are very careful to look around them before leaping from one tree to another, as there could be danger close by. A large eagle may swoop from above, or possibly a leopard could be looking below, so it is important not to lose their footing. Fact file: monkeys have a varied diet. They are not known for their fussy tastes and are omnivorous by nature. They will eat a wide variety of food, from flowers, leaves, and fruit to insects and small frogs. Why are rainforests being cut down? Tropical rainforests contain the most varied mixtures of animals and plants of any habitat on the earth. They contain large and small predators and a bewildering variety of birds. All these animals are supported by huge numbers of trees that produce fruit to feed them and their prey all year round. Unfortunately, though man is destroying their natural habitat, rainforests are being cut down at an alarming rate. Nearly 90% of rainforests have been destroyed. Both large commercial farming companies and individual farmers cleared the forest to gain land to cultivate and graze animals. Secondly, trees have been felled to supply tropical hardwoods for furniture making and building. Fact file: it is estimated that over 2 million different species of plant and animal thrive in the rainforests, and many have been undiscovered by man. Their destruction is a serious threat to our planet. Why are most coral reefs protected? Coral reefs are the marine equivalent of rainforests. They are homes to thousands of species of fish and invertebrates, all living in a complex balance, which makes the reef system an extremely stable environment. That is until the intervention of man. Marine biologists spend a lot of time studying the reef, and valuable new discoveries are made all the time. There are a great number of threats to coral reefs. Work must be done quickly to protect them. Therefore, the education of people throughout the world is necessary if coral reefs are to survive. Fact file: a starfish is one of the many thousands of creatures that make their home among the coral reefs. The starfish moves around on thousands of tiny tube feet, or they can use them to grab their prey of a shellfish.